Hello guys, welcome to the YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be giving you a beginner guide on how to use the MT5 trading app. Now when you open your MT5 trading app, the first thing you're going to be seeing is this, and all these are synthetic indices markets. We've got boom, crash, and the rest. And the red, blue numbers that you're seeing, these are the current price of each market. So the current price of boom 1000 index is at 10,972.9580. So that's the current price. Is always fluctuating, moving up and down. And if you want to add a specific market that maybe it's not here because you're not seeing it, you can just click on plus sign, and then you can add the search for the market that you're looking for. So let's just pick a random one. Let's click on crypto, and then let's click on what's BTC? Can't find it. Let's search for it. Let's search for BTC. Yeah, I'm just gonna click on Bitcoin versus US dollars. This one right here. So once you click on it and then you go back, it's gonna be added to your quotes. When you scroll down, it should be the last one, and that's it right there, BTC USD. Now if you want to delete a market that you don't need, you're just gonna click on this pen icon right here, and then you're gonna click on the bean icon, and then you're gonna select the things that you don't want. So let's just click on almost everything because I only trade one market. Yeah, so I can't click on this particular one, the VIX 75. That's because I currently placed a trade on it, so I can't delete it. So unless I delete the trade or I'm done with that trade, that's when I can click on it. So that's why it's not showing me any option to click on it. So when I click on delete, then I go back, that's it. So I've deleted everything I have, and I currently have one. So if I want to add, just click on add, and then just add anyone, just add, and then when you go back, the ones you added are going to be here, and you can see the current price moving up and down. So when you want to open the chart of the particular market, you're just going to click on the market, and then you're going to click on chart, and it's going to open the chart that you currently open. So this, as you can see, this is the volatility 75 index, my favorite indices to trade on. And when you open it, and these green candles, these are candles that indicates a specific time frame. So let's click on 1 minute. Let's see what 1 minute is doing. You're just gonna tap on it, and then you're gonna click on M1, which is 1 minute. So we're starting with 1 minute. So each of these candles represent 1 minute. This candle is 1 minute, this candle is 1 minute. This is what happened between 1 minute. So the price went down from here to here in 1 minute. So that's what time frames are. So if you want to see what happened in 5 minutes, you just click on your screen, and then you click on M5, which means 5 minutes. So each of these candles represents 5 minutes. So you click on it. M15 represents 15 minutes. You check 30 minutes. M30 represents 30 minutes. Each of the candles are 30 minutes. You click on it, click on H1. H1 represents 1 hour. You click on it. H4 represents 4 hours, and so on and so forth. Click on it, click on D1. D1 represents 1 day, and then W1 represents 1 week. So each of these candles represent what happened in the market in 1 week. So when you click on MN, it represents like monthly time frame. So each of these candles represent a month. So if you count like 12 of them, that's like 1 year. So let's go back to 1 minute. And let's say you want to enter into a trade, you want to buy or you want to sell. So the price is currently going down, and if you think that price is going to keep going down and you want to join the market and make profits from the movement of the price, then let's say you want to sell. Now when you're selling, it means you think the price is going to keep going down and you want to make profits from it. So if you want to enter into the market immediately, because with the price that the market is currently on, because the price is currently on 110, and if you want to actually start selling immediately at 110, then you're just going to click on sell right here, And if that sell is not showing on your screen, you're going to click on this place right here. It should bring out the icon. So you click on it, it's going to bring out your sell and your buy icon. So let's just click on sell because we believe that price is going to keep going down. Click on sell, and as you see, your sell order has been placed immediately at the market price. So we're immediately selling at 410. So if this price actually keeps going lower than 410, then we're going to be in profit. But if it keeps going higher than 410, it goes from 410 to 411, then we're going to keep having loss. Now to see your current trade, to see this current trade that we're currently on, we're going to click on trade and we're going to see if we're making a profit or loss. So we're currently on a 0.03 profit. It just moved to a loss. So you get what I mean. So the price is going up, that's why it's giving us a loss. If it's going down, it's giving us a sell. It's giving us a profit. So to go back to the chart, you just click on chart right here to go back, or you can just slide to the left and it should display all this for you, and then you click on this icon that has like a graph. Oh my god, why am I saying everything wrong? A graph. You click on it and it should open this up. So we're currently, and let's say the price is moving up and it's giving us a loss, and we don't want to lose more than $5, because we have like $10 in our account and we don't want to lose more than $5. So we have a sell at 410, which is 410. Let's just take the first three numbers. So 410. So each of these moves gives you $1. So from 410, if it goes to 411, that's $1 loss, because we're selling, so we're getting a loss if it's actually going up. So that's $1 loss. From 411 to from 4010 to, so from 410 to 412, that's $2 loss. From 410 to 413, that's $3 loss. From 410 to 414, that's $4 loss. From 10 to 415, that's $5 loss. And let's say we don't want to lose more than $5, and we need to secure our account because we have $10 in the account and we don't want to lose more than $5. So to secure our account from losing more than $5, we're going to need to set a stop loss. Now to set a stop loss, you just click on the order that you just created, and then you're going to see this icon right here, and you want to click on SL, which is stop loss. Click on it, and then you want to drag this icon up to 415. So the price is not showing 415 right now because it's 415 is way up above, and you want to shrink the chart a bit so you can get to 415. And in order to do that, you see this price is here, you just want to scroll down and it's going to start shrinking it. And then once it shrinks it, you see your 415, you want to increase your stop loss, drag it up all the way to 415. Now 415 is going to give you a minus $5, and that's what you're willing to lose for this trade. And to modify it, to edit it, you're going to click on this blue icon, and then you're going to click on modify. So as you can see, this stop loss, which is the orange line, is at 415, and we don't want to lose more than that. And you're going to click on modify, and that's it. So when price actually goes up, instead of coming down to our profit, it's actually going up, and it gets to 415. It's going to give us a minus $5 loss, and we're out of the trade. We don't want to lose more than that. That's it. But what if it actually starts giving us profit, and we want to take profit when the price actually starts going down? We want to take profit because we know it's going to go down, even if it gives us a few minus. As far as it doesn't get to $5, it gives us a -1, -2. We're okay with that, but we know that it's going to go down, and we don't want to stare at the chart for too long, like for hours. So we want to place a take profit so that when price gets to a certain amount, we want it to give us profit. Now, if you want a $3 profit from this, you just want to click on the order, and then you want to click on TP. Now TP is for take profit. You click on it, and then you drag the green line down to, let's say blah, 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 let's say 6, and then you're just going to click on the blue icon, and then you modify it. And when price actually starts selling down and it sells down to 4.6, and it gives us, like, say, like a profit, so each move is $1. So from 410, 4.9, 4.8, 4.6, or 4.7, 4.6. So that's when it gets to 4.6, we're gonna have like $4 profit. And once price gets to that TP is it's gonna give us a $4 profit, and we're out of the trade. So we have a $4 in profit in our account. So if we started with 10 euros, then if this trade actually works out and it hits the TP, then we would have $14 in our account. So that's how you place your trades using stop loss and take profit. And then there's something also called, and if you want to delete the trade, we're currently on the trade, so we can't delete it. We either close with profit or we close with loss. And if you want to close with profit or loss, you just click on the order. Let's say you can't wait. You can't wait for it to hit your stop loss. You can't wait for it hit your take profit. You just want to end everything right now. So you just click on the order, and when it displays the icon, you click on close, and then you click on close with current loss. So if you have a current loss, you want to close with it because you're done. You just don't want to take it anymore. You don't want it to get to your $5. You just want to get out of the trade right now. You just click on close with loss. And if it's actually on giving you some profit, let's say it's giving you like a $2 profit or so, and you want to close with your $2 profit instead of your $4, you can just click close with loss, and it immediately takes you out of the trade with either a profit or a loss. But let's say we want to sell from 413 because we believe that we don't want to sell now because we know it's going to keep going up. We believe that when it actually gets to 413, it's going to keep selling down. So then, you need to place a sell stop. I'm going really fast in this video because I don't want the video to be too long. So then you're going to place a sell stop. Now to place a sell stop, you're going to click on this time icon here, and then you're going to set the order. Let's say we want it to sell from 413. You click on it right there, and then you click on the blue icon, and then you click on place order. So we have just placed an order. We're telling the market that the price is going to go up to 413, but we don't want to enter the price now because we believe it's too risky and we don't want to lose so much money. So we want to sell when it actually gets to 413. And then if it gets to 413, we don't want to lose more than $2, for example. So we're going to click on the order and just set it again. Stop loss at $2. Each move gives you $1. So from 413 to 414, that's $1. From 414 to 415, that's $2 loss. So you want to set the take stop loss at 415, and then you're going to click this, the blue arrow, and then you click on modify, and then you want to set your take profit for this trade, TP, and take profits. Just put it anywhere just for the sake of this video. Oh boy, that's not supposed to happen. Okay, modify, and that's it. That's how you set a trade that you don't want to, when you don't want to watch the charts for 24 hours. Let's say you have a job, you have kids, you're doing something else, you have an assignment, and you don't want to stare at the trade for the whole day. So you can just set something like this, and you're good. Set something that you take profit where you're comfortable with, and a stop loss you're comfortable with, like a money you're willing to lose. So that's how you set a trade. And let's say you don't want to get into the trade anymore. It hasn't activated yet because the price hasn't touched the sell limit, and you just want to delete it because you're not confident that that's going to happen. You're just going to click on the order, and then you're going to click on delete. And when you think it's going to start buying from let's say 412, it's just the same thing. You're just going to click here, and then you're going to drag it up to put a buy limit, put a buy limit here. Or let's say you think when it goes to 49 it's going to buy, you're going to click on buy limit, and then you're just going to set the same thing, set your take profit, set your stop loss, and that's just basically the same thing. So next we're going to talk about is a lot size. And what is a lot size? A lot size is like a risk, the risk you're willing to take, the risk you're willing to take. So we're currently, this is a lot size, a 0.001 lot size is the smallest lot size for volatility 75 index. So with a 0.00, let me just get into a trade right now. I'm going to click on buy, and I'm going to click on sell. So whichever ones that plays out. So with a 0.01 lot size, it's going to give you a low profit. Like I said, each movements give you $1. But just as each movement gives you $1 profit, each movement also gives you a $1 loss. So let's say, okay, let's open the trade and see what this current trade is giving us. So I click on sell, and the sell is giving me a 14 cents, and the buy is giving me a 22 cents. So as you can see, because I'm using the lowest loss size, it's giving me a really small profit and really small loss. But if you want to increase your lot size to give you huge profits, like when I'm talking of each movement is giving you $100 each instead of $1. You could also do that. But note, if you increase your lot size, the higher your lot size, the higher your profit, but also the higher your loss. So I'm just going to make an example to show you. We're going to go back to trade. We're going to place a trade on, let's say, 0.50. Let's click on 0.50, and then let's click on buy, and then let's click on sell. Just for the sake of this video, let's go back to see our trade and see. As you can see, a 0.50 sell is giving us 130 for loss. It's giving us big losses, but the buy is also giving us like a big profits, $14, compared to what the 0.001 is giving us. So this is a 15 loss, there's a 0.2 loss, but then the bigger loss, the bigger the losses you use, the bigger your losses, but also the bigger your profit. So it depends on the kind of account you have. If you have, like, I currently have a demo account of 2,000 euros, so I can place a really big, using big lot size. But if you're trading with a small account, like a $10 account, I would recommend you use a 0.001 lot size and just gradually build your profits until you have like $1,000 in your account, and then you can start maybe increasing your lot size a bit according to your account. Now that's a whole nother teaching. It's what we call a risk management, so you need to study that too if you're going to be trading. So in order to delete this chart, let's say I'm losing like $100 and I don't want to lose more than that, so I'm just going to slide, and I'm going to go click on this icon right here, and I'm going to click on lose with loss, because I'm losing too much and I don't want to lose any more than $200. Okay, 300. So just click on it and it instantly close the trade for you. Why the buy is still giving you like $100 profit. So if this was my real account, I just made $100 profit for actually buying with a 0.50 losses. Now if to see your total profits for all trades that you're currently taking, you're going to look in this section here. It's going to show you trade, and you can see the total amount I've made for today is 239 cents. Now if you want to close on everything because you're done, just slide and then you click on close with loss, and then you click on close with profits if you're comfortable with your profits. You can see the way the big lot size is just giving you like crazy ass profits, like $300. Imagine this was a real account, or imagine you entered the trade, you just made $300, although you lost $300 from the trade. But if you leave it up to keep going, and it actually keeps going up because you clicked on buy, and price keeps going up, it's just gonna keep going from 200 to 300, from $300 to 500, and then 500. You're reading like $1,000 just from this trade. So if you're comfortable with $300, you can just slide, and then you click on close with profit. That's it. So that's how you use your lot size. So if you have a small account, I recommend using a small lot size instead. So that's it for lot size. And if you want to see the history of everything you've done today, you can click on history, and then you click on today, and then it gives you like a history. This is the balance, the $300 we just closed. These are the things we closed in profit, and these are the ones we closed in loss. If you want to see what you did in 1 month or last week, click on last week. It shows you what you've done in last week. This is wrong. It's not. Yeah, it shows you what you've done last week, and then last month it shows you what you done last month. So they're currently doing maintenance on the MT5 trading app. So I think that's why this thing is wrong, because this is a new account, so it's not supposed to be giving me information from last month, because I wasn't trading on this account last month or last 3 months. So it's supposed to switch, but you get what I mean. That's how you check your history, and this is how you check your trade, and this is a chart. And you are seeing some lines on the candlesticks, and some tiny arrows on top of each candles, and also at the bottom I have a weird ass line. Those are called indicators. What the indicators does is they tell you, they kind of like guide you on how to trade. So if this current indicator I'm using, if the price move higher than this, my tiny blue arrow triangle, it means price is going to keep going up. But when price move lower than this candle, it means price is going to keep going down. So that's what indicator kind of like does. It just kind of like guides you on a trade, but they're not 100% reliable. So don't just use indicator for trading. And then this line is also an indicator. It's got a moving average, and when any of this candle goes below the line, like it closes below it, just like this one did, it means that it's going to sell. Like when a big candle closes below the moving average, it means that it's going to sell. The price is going to keep going down. And when any candle closes above it, just like this one did, it means it's going to go up and keep going up for a while. And it's not like a really long time, all days. It's just for a while. So that's what indicator does. They guide you and they show you how to. They guide you on your trades. And if you want to add an indicator, you just click on this N sign here, and then you can click on this F plus, and then you can look for any indicators that you want to add. So there are different kinds of indicator here. You can just add any one. So I'm just going to click on Bollinger Bands. Click on it, and then you put in your settings the way you want it, and then you click on done. Once you click on done, you go back, and then you're going to have a Bollinger Band indicator, because this is the black one I just ended. That's the Bollinger Band indicator. So it does its own job. They each all have their own jobs and what they do. So you need to know your indicator before you just put indicator. Don't just randomly add indicators. Know what they do so you can they can help you with your trade. And this is also an indicator I have when the price goes, when the red goes above the green, it means price is going to keep going down. And when the green goes above the red, as you can see here, it means price is going to go up. Just like you see here, it did go up. So it's not 100% reliable. I don't use these alone. I do all the things like technical analysis that helps me to determine what I'm going to buy or sell in the market. So that's it for this video. I think I've covered everything that you could possibly need for this video. And before I end the video, I do have a WhatsApp group where we have like-minded traders, like people who are interested in trading. We're all there. And also I do drop tips and tricks on how to trade. I give free indicators that are helpful. I post trades, like I tell you when to buy and tell you when to sell for free. So it's for free. Yeah, it's currently free. It won't be free for long, so I'm going to leave a link of the WhatsApp group in the description of this video. So if you want to join the last or WhatsApp group, just click on the link and join now, because it's currently free. It won't be free for long. The group will be closed and it will be a paid group, so it's better you join now that it's free. Otherwise, by the time you want to join later, you might need to pay to get into the group. So that's it for this video, and if you like the video, please give it a huge thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel, because I currently have a goal of, I just opened this channel. It's just like today, no, a couple days old. It's currently October 19, 2023, and I hope by the end of the year I would have at least gotten to 100 subscribers. So I'd really appreciate you click on the subscribe button, and I will be dropping videos concerning trading and Deriv, everything from beginner guide. Literally, if you know nothing about trading, just make sure you follow the channel, because I'm going to be dropping videos and contents concerning how to start trading. The name of the channel is just simple trading, so I'm going to make it as simple as possible so anyone can understand. If you have any questions, you can message me in the WhatsApp group, and I'll be available to answer your questions, or you can just drop a comment on this video and I'll be able to reply your comments on time, because I'm always reading those comments. That's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, oh boy, I already said that. See you guys.